Choosing the right name for your Florida LLC is crucial for your business identity and legal compliance. But how do you ensure your chosen name is available and meets all state requirements? This is where a Sunbiz LLC name search comes in. Sunbiz is Florida's official business entity database, maintained by the Division of Corporations. It's your first stop when creating an LLC in the Sunshine State. By conducting a thorough search on Sunbiz, you can verify if your desired business name is available and avoid potential conflicts with existing entities. When searching on Sunbiz, you'll encounter various status terms. Active means the name is currently in use. Inactive or inact indicates the business has been dissolved, potentially freeing up the name. Inact-UA shows the business is inactive but unavailable due to pending annual report filings. Name HS, which stands for Hold Secure, means the name is reserved for a specific period. To perform a name search, start by visiting the Sunbiz website. Navigate to the Search Records section and select Corporation Name Search. Enter your desired business name or relevant keywords. Review the results carefully, paying attention to the status of each listing. If your preferred name is already taken or marked as HS, consider alternatives to ensure compliance with state regulations. Florida has specific requirements for LLC names. Your chosen name must include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or a similar abbreviation. It can't imply affiliation with government agencies or use restricted words like bank or university without proper authorization. Most importantly, it must be distinguishable from other registered entities in Florida. Here are some tips for reserving and registering your LLC name. First, conduct a thorough search on Sunbiz to check availability. If you find an available name, consider using the Hold Secure option to reserve it while you complete your LLC formation. Be mindful of potential trademark infringements and consider securing a matching domain name for your business website. Conducting a proper Florida LLC name search is a critical first step in establishing your business. It ensures your chosen name is available, compliant with state regulations, and sets a strong foundation for your company's identity. Remember, if you need assistance with the name search or registration process, consulting with a qualified attorney can help navigate any complexities and ensure a smooth start for your Florida LLC.